Hello and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today we're going to talk about how Bitcoin is getting stretched out. Warning, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. It is best to do your own due diligence, form your own conclusions, and invest based on your opinion of the market. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and may lose value. Be safe out there. So I've established a couple of trading rules that we are going to use in today's calculations. And what they are is where the bear market ends, the bull begins. Bear market, prices come down. So we're going to look for the day, the absolute day where a bear market ends. That same day or the day after, however you want to calculate it, that's where the bull begins. And so same thing for the bull market. Where the bull market ends, the bear begins. So prices go up in a bull market. We're looking for that top. Then from there, that day or the day after, when prices go like this, that's where the bear market begins. All right, so I got a couple things here that I want you to just take a mental snapshot of. August 25th, 2015, May 18th, 2020, 1,728 days from this day to this day. This is 473% of a year, or 4.73 years. So remember those. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our data points. All right, so Bitcoin so far has had 2 full bull markets, and we are in the middle of the third one right now. Today is October 14th, 2019. We are still finishing the final bull market, and here's how I know this. We're going to look at this one, 7/18/2010 to June 5th, 2011. So this here is Bitcoin priced in dollars. This is on Yahoo. Just go to Yahoo Finance, type in BTC USD, and we want to zoom in on, this would be the lowest recorded price of 5 cents on 7/18/2010. So we're looking for the bull market. And then we want to look at where it ends. 6/5/2011. It might have been 6.6 or 6.7. This is a smoothed average. I can't find any other data by the day. If you know of a website, put it in the comments below. I'd love to take a look and find out what the day was. But 6/5/2011. And so 7/18/2010 to 6/5/2011. It's 0.882 years. I've already went through and calculated it out, 322 days. This was bull market number 1. Now let's look at the second one. November 13th, 2011 to November 28th, 2013. So now this would be, there's a bear market here, and we'll get into the bear markets here in a little bit, but we're looking for the lowest recorded price before the next high. It's somewhere around here, 11/13/2011. Could it be a day backwards or forwards? Yeah, absolutely. I 100% agree with that. These are just by the week. If you notice the dates, it won't let me zoom in any tighter. So 11/13/2011. Here's the end, 11/24/2013. I actually know for a fact it was like 11/28 2013, because you're able to zoom in. And I was following Bitcoin at this time. And so 11/28, 2013. So 11/13, the lowest price, where the bear ended and the bull began, to 11/28, 2013. This is 2.04 years, or 746 days. So now we have two pieces of data. This times what equals this, because we know where the last bear ended, and so now we can project out into the future. And so I already went through and figured it out. This is the bull factor calculation. It's 2.316. You just take the 746, divide it by the 322, and you come up with 2.316. So now if we take 0.882 times it by 2.316, we come up with 2.04. This was the next bull market. So now if math is any guide into the future, this times 2.316, 2.04 times 2.316, this gets us to 4.73 years. And so we know for a fact, we're going to zoom in on this in a minute here, August 25th, 2015, go forward 4.73 years, which is this times this. This brings us out to 1,728 days. So now we take the 1,728 days, go forward, and this is what it gets us to. Well, does this ring a bell with anybody that's watching this video? What's happening around this time frame? I couldn't believe this when this is what it came out to be, almost down to the day. We're only off by 4 days. I couldn't believe this. The Bitcoin halving is on the 14th of May, 2020. Can you believe that? So with this, the bull market lasting 322 days, bull market number 1, bull market number 2 lasting 746 days. This here, if this is bull market number 3, lasting 4.73 years or 1,728 days. This brings us out to May 18th, 2020 of a Bitcoin high. And if you've watched any of my other videos, I think we're going to $100,000 based on previous history, based on what Bitcoin does. But now, this isn't a price-based video. This is a time-based video. 4.73 years. May 18th, 2020. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see what happens. And so, it also too, if you remember at the beginning of the video I said, remember this date, this, and this. August 25th, May 18th, 2020. 1,728 days, 4.73 years, or 473% of 1 year. There it is. August, May, 4.73, 1,728 days. And just to zoom in, if I didn't do it, this right here, August 25th, 2015. That's where the bear ended and the bull began. We registered about $177, $178 for Bitcoin, and that was it. That was the end. So now we've got all this. We've looked at the bull markets. So let's analyze the bear markets. So let's take a look. June 5th, 2011. So let's remember where the bull ends, the bear begins. So June 5th, 2011 to 11/13, 2011. So it's going to be from about here, June 5th, 2011, to here. 161 days, 0.441 of a year. The next one, next bear, 11/28, 2013 to 8/25, 2015. So we just looked at this one, 11/28, 2013. So now, then Bitcoin goes through its thing. So where the bull ends, the bear begins. 11/24, 2013. August 25th, 2015. Here we're in the next one. Still playing out. And so 11/28, 2013 to 8/25, 2015, 635 days, 1.739 years. So to figure the bear factor calculation, you just take the first piece of data, 635 days, divide it by 161 days. We come up with 3.944. So this times 3.944, we get 635. So 635 times 3.944. If this is where the bull ends and the bear begins, this is saying 635, and I'll double check right now, 635 times 3.944. We come out with 2,504 days. So go forward from May 18th, 2020 for a Bitcoin top, 2,504 days, that we have a possible bottom sometime around March 27th, 2027. This is around the year that I see silver and gold coming to a top. That's a whole nother video, but right now silver and gold is also in a bull market, but it's a much slower and longer bull market than Bitcoin. And so I believe at this time, this is going to be a great time to take a little money off the table, do something fun, buy something, whatever, and whatever you decide. This is just my opinion. But at this time, I'm going into silver and gold, and I'm going to sit there until about this time. And then this will be a good time to go back into Bitcoin and the cryptos. This could be a long, I think it's about 6.86 year bear market. This is going to be the crypto winter this is going to be the mother of all crypto winters. You ain't seen nothing yet. And so that's why I think silver and gold is going to be a great place to be. Now, I will have a future video on this. And just to give you a taste of what we're looking at here. So let's see, silver and gold. But this, just to give you a taste of this upcoming video, and who knows, I may not do this video till May of next year, but 1970 to 1980, that was a cycle. That was like how Bitcoin did it. Silver and gold did it in 10 years. Well, now it's going to be, the calculation comes out to about anywhere from 26 to 28 years. And so the last low was in 2001. Go forward. Actually, if we take inflation off of there, the low was like 1999. Go forward 28 years. That gets us into 2027. So like I said, that's a whole nother video that we'll work on in the future. And so at this time, this is saying that it would be over with. So we got enough data now, we can kind of predict the next high. And so the bear cycle, 635 times 3.944, 6.86 years, 2,504 days, starting May 18th, 2020, ending Saturday, March 27th, 2027. So now this is saying the next bull cycle would be 4.73, which would be the last one, times the 2.316, which is the bull factor, equals 10.96 years, which is almost 4,000 days. 3,999 days, starting Saturday, March 27th, 2027. So this would be the end of the next crypto winter. And if it lasts 10.96 years, starting March 27th, 2027, go forward 10.96 years, this would be the next top of 2038. So from silver and gold, having a top at this time, then going back into crypto and sitting there for about the next 10 or 11 years, this would be the next top. And so this here, 3,999 days, March 27th, 2027, where the bear ends, the bull begins. Go forward 3,999 days, March 8th, 2038, 10.95 years. And so this is what I see coming. Will I be correct? I don't know. This is just what the math is pointing to. And so all we can do is just sit and watch and see what happens. And so that's it for today. If you like the video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank you for coming over to Blockchain Silver. And remember to stay safe out there.